All right, starting with 8C, page 116. Question says to simplify. So we've got this situation here, 5e times the root of 24e cubed minus 7 times the root of 54e5, e to the 5, plus e squared times the root of 6e. So we're going to have to do lots of simplifying. This 6e, 6 is just 2 times 3, so this is not going to change at all. This one's not going to change at all. These two will. I'm going to deal with the 24 first and then talk about that e. So 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. We've just got one pair. So the 6, which is 2 times 3, is going to stay inside. A 2 is going to come out. So the 2 is going to come out and multiply that 5. So that's going to be 10. And then there's, we'll talk about the e's in a second. The root 6 is going to stay inside. E cubed, you can think of it like this. E cubed is e times e squared, which is e times e. 2 e's come out. 1 stays in. 1 e stays in. So this is just 1 e that comes out. It's going to multiply that e. So that's going to be e squared. 10e squared, 6e. This is exactly the same thing as this. It's just simplified. Now if we do the 54e5, 54 is 2 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9. 3 times 3. We've just got a pair of 3's and a 6 stays in. So 3 comes out. 3 times 7 is 21. So minus 21. Leave space for the e. 6 stays in. We might be having a like term here. E to the 5. Same thing. One way I like to think of it is e to the 5 is e to the 4 times e. The square root of e to the 4 is e2. So e squared comes out and 1e stays in. So these are like terms. These will be combined. Plus e squared root 6e. Well, look, we've got 3 like terms here plus 6e. This guy will just stay by himself. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 21, so it's going to be negative 10. Negative 10e squared root 6e plus 6e. Done. These are like terms not only because of this root, but also because of this variable. The variable's the same. If one of these was just an e, they wouldn't be the same anymore. They wouldn't be like terms anymore. Hopefully that makes sense.